guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, paper airplane contest. Paper airplane made from steps from other paper airplanes, which I might teach you guys how to make. A really small one, really long one, big one, which I gave away one. Congrats to Jackson Rayburn. And it's not my fault that you didn't get picked, because I just look at all my subscribers, write them all down on little name things, put them in a jar, mix it up, and grab one. Jackson Rayburn won. And so we've got paper airplane made from lots of other steps: long paper airplane, small paper airplane, big one, a really weird one, which I don't have that much confidence in, but never know. Got the glider, except small, really small. Then we've got the hang glider. This kind of looks like it. So we're gonna go from smallest to biggest, I think. So I'm gonna line them all up. Shortest to tallest. How about this one? Won't be last because the biggest one is the tallest. So yeah, let me just, sheesh. Sugars on this one. Okay, I'm gonna put the camera right here. I'm gonna be back here and I'm gonna test it. I know my outfit doesn't match, but it doesn't matter. The smallest one first. One second, I'll let my dog outside. Sorry, she doesn't eat them, you know. Smallest one. Went right here. It's not that good. Then the glider, except small. It went. Oh. That hurt. Went right here. Then the weird one, which I don't have the code in. Hey, that was cool. It opened up a little. So, it went right here so far in last place. Now the hang glider. Hey, it hit that. Retry. Whoa! That went past. It went over here, which might be, well, it's in first place. Now the really long one, which I think is not going to do so good, but really fast. Wait. That one is third to last. Now the one, it hit something, so a retry. So the one that was made with holes from other ones. Wait. Two are tied. The hang glider and the one I just threw are tied for first. So yeah. Now the biggest one, which when I throw it, it's gonna be like that because it might go like that and it tips it first. So wherever the back is where I'm gonna turn it. Whoops. A paper clip fell off, so that's what we call a retry. So I'm gonna try to finish this up kind of fast. My dog needs to come back and I want her to eat it. So second paper clip fell off when it landed, but you only get one retry. So 2 have tied first. So we've got to do a tiebreaker. So I'm going to set all of the other ones together so I know where they all are at. So now I'm going to put the 2, and they're not going to have the same height. So you guys are thinking, like, how does Taylor see why? Well, tied again. Because when it does, if I do it, one will keep going, the other one will just go like that. So yeah, got tied again. Right. So lined up right here. So now we've got to do the hang glider. And the hang glider wins. So, if you want to find one that can go really far, don't try a really small one or really weird one, because really weird one, it's really, if you're going for coolness, it's really good because it goes like that and opens up while it flies. But this one just isn't that good because it's small. I thought if it's really small it wouldn't be good, and if it's really big it wouldn't be good. But the big one actually got second place. So if the cheapest way to do it is to just do a hang glider. It's kind of hard, but because one fold. But other than that, pretty simple. This you have to buy a big piece of paper. So yeah, I might try to contact ZHC. Maybe. I can't. When I get older, I might do that. And then I'm gonna send him all lots of paper airplanes for him to customize. And I'm gonna only give him 2 weeks. But I might contact. I might not be able to get him. So yeah, I'm gonna make a video on showing them, because ZHC, if you are watching this, I don't care if you get rid of this, because I just want you to make it as cool as possible. The tip you don't have to do because it's gonna be hard since it kept, you know. You don't have to do the tip for anyone. I'm not gonna send this one because that's like theoretically impossible to do. But I will send all the other ones. I have other ones that I'm gonna send. So yeah, I'm gonna send this one. But if you and I don't care. You can. I don't care what you customize on it. And I don't care if you test how far they can go. Just make them look cool, please. If you are watching this CHC, I'm gonna try to contact, but maybe can't. So that's gonna be the end of this YouTube video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.